someone coughs near you on a plane, are you switching seats or are you going to pretend to be asleep?
Switching seats.
Definitely switching seats.
I don't even think you can switch seats on a plane.
It's like what's available, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're going to get stuck by somebody worse,
Hey, but
probably.
if the option's available, then yeah.
Oh, yeah, totally. If it's available,
for sure.
I'll switch seats.
I'm saying switch seats as well.
Yeah.
And why I pretend to be asleep.
Yeah, why would you?
What's that going to win for you? You still have to put up with
That
the whole
or
flight.
I would double down
Right?
and do the same shit to them.
Damn, that's petty as fuck. I like that because that's part of the segment.
Right?
I like that
Yeah.
shit. I didn't even think about that. I don't think I have it in me though, but damn, that'd be dope.
That or do it
I would
worse.
double
Fucking
down.
let out a fat ass fart right next to them. Walked it their way.